What if I told you that most contractors are sitting on a gold mine of untapped leads and they don't even know about it? They're spending thousands of dollars every single month on Google ads, Facebook ads, and lead generation services, but you're ignoring the easiest, cheapest ways to double your lead flow without spending another dime. What's up, contractors? I'm Mauricio Cardinal from Contractor Marketing Pros, and today I'm going to show you 9 proven strategies to get more leads without increasing your ad spend by even $1. Here's what I see every single day. Contractors burning through their marketing budgets faster than a house on fire, constantly asking, how do I get more leads? So they throw more money at Google ads, they increase their Facebook budget, they sign up for more lead generation services, and their cost per lead keeps climbing higher and higher. Meanwhile, they're completely ignoring the leads that are already sitting right in front of them. They've got a website that converts like a broken funnel. They got a database full of past customers they haven't talked to in years. They've got Google business profiles that look like digital ghost towns. It's like having a leaky bucket, and instead of fixing the holes, you just keep pouring more water on the top. You're working harder, not smarter, and your profit margins are getting crushed in the process. But what if I told you there's a better way? What if I could help you build a better mousetrap that catches way more leads with the same amount of cheese? Here are 9 strategies that smart contractors are using to multiply their leads without touching their ad budgets. First, optimize your current website. Your website is like a digital salesperson that works 24/7, but most contractor websites are terrible at closing. Start using tools like Microsoft Clarity to see exactly how visitors behave on your site. You'll be shocked at what you discover: people bouncing after 10 seconds, getting confused by your navigation, or leaving because they can't figure out how to contact you. And also, make sure to fix your calls to action. This is where most contractor websites completely fall apart. Think about it. Someone lands on your website because they have a problem that needs solving. Maybe their roof is leaking, their AC isn't working, or they need a bathroom remodel. They're motivated to take action, but when you hit them with a generic contact us button, that's not helping anyone. Instead, give them instant gratification. Add quote calculators to give them a ballpark estimate in 30 seconds. I'm not talking about asking for their life story, just the basics: square footage, type of service, maybe their zip code. Then boom, your roof replacement will likely cost between $12,000 and $13,000. Click here to schedule a free inspection for an exact quote. Create urgency with your free inspections. Instead of schedule a free inspection, try free inspection, only 3 spots left this month, or emergency roof inspection available this week only. People need a reason to act now instead of later. Also, make sure to use low friction call to actions that meet people where they are. Text us a photo of your issue for a quick estimate. Think about how easy that is. They don't have to fill out a form. They don't have to make a phone call. They just snap a picture and send it. You'll get 5 times more responses with a text-based CTA than a traditional contact form. Other low friction ideas: send us your address for a drive-by estimate, upload photos for instant feedback, or text your zip code for local pricing. The goal is to remove every possible barrier between their problem and your solution. These small changes can double or triple your website conversion rates overnight. Strategy number 2, a database reactivation campaign. This is pure gold, and most contractors completely ignore it. First, customer reactivation, especially powerful HVAC and plumbing companies, reach out to past customers and offer tune-ups, maintenance package, or seasonal services. These people already trust you, so your conversion rates will be through the roof. Second, lead reactivation campaigns. Contact old leads from past campaigns who didn't buy initially. Their situation might have changed, or they might have been waiting for the right time. I've seen contractors close deals from leads that were 6 months old or even a year old, right? Strategy number 3, speed to lead. Here's a stat that will blow your mind. Companies that respond to leads within 5 minutes are 9 times more likely to convert than companies that wait 30 minutes. Use software to automate your initial response. Set up text messages, emails, or even automated phone calls that fire the second someone fills out your form. While your competitors are still sleeping on leads, you're already building relationships. Here's exactly what I mean, right? When someone fills out a form on your website at 9 p.m. on Saturday night, they shouldn't have to wait until Monday morning to hear from you. They should get an instant text saying, "Hey, hi, this is John. Thanks for requesting a roof inspection. We received your request and we'll call you first thing Monday morning. In the meantime, here's what to expect. followed by a link to your process or a quick video. I recommend using platforms like Contractor, which is our white label version of Go Ahead Level, or other CRM systems that can handle this automation for you. These platforms let you set up workflows that trigger automatically based on how someone contacted you. For example, if someone requests a roof inspection, they immediately get a text confirmation, then an email with your company information and what to expect, then maybe a follow-up text the next day with a link to your reviews or video testimonials, all without you lifting a finger. And here's the key: don't just send generic robot messages. Personalize them based on the service they requested. Someone asking about an emergency AC repair gets a different sequence than someone planning a bathroom remodel or something else. You can even set an automated phone calls using AI voice technology. Imagine a prospect gets a call within 60 seconds of filling out your form with a friendly voice. Hi, this is Sarah from ABC HVAC. I see you just requested information about AC repairs. I want to personally thank you and let you know someone from our team will call you within the next hour to discuss your project. While your competitors are manually checking their email once or twice a day, you're creating an instant connection that puts you miles ahead in the race to win that customer. Strategy number 4, maximize your Google Business Profile. Your Google Business Profile is free marketing real estate, but most contractors treat it like a digital business card instead of lead generation machine. Remember to post consistently. Post weekly updates, seasonal offers, project highlights. Add Q&A content by seating and answering your own questions frequently. Upload photos and videos of your pictures of your team, right? Project walkthroughs, right? Encourage reviews after every single job that's completed, right? Google Business Profiles activity boosts your organic visibility and conversion without spending a dime on ads. Strategy number 5, referrals, right? Multipliers. Build structured referral campaigns that reward both the person referring and the new customer. And here's the secret, right? Instead of cash rewards, offer free service upgrades or exclusive discounts. It costs you less and feels more valuable to customers. Teach your team to ask for referrals as part of every job that's completed process. Make it systematic, not accidental. These are low-cost, high-trust leads that scale with your customer base. Strategy number 6, upsells and cross-sells. Increase revenue per customer to need fewer leads to hit your goals. Add service bundles, right? If you're a roofing company, add gutter cleaning. If you're an HVAC company, add duct cleaning. Offer seasonal packages. Add financing or no payments for X months. Offers to make it easier to close those bigger jobs or bigger ticket items. When you increase your average job value from $5,000 to $7,500, you just need 33% fewer leads to hit the same revenue target. Strategy number 7, leverage social proof content. Repurpose your reviews into social posts, reels, and shorts. Share customer testimonials. Raw iPhone videos work great. You don't need Hollywood production. Post project of your teams, right? Of your before and after photos. Quick captions explaining the transformations. This increases organic inbound leads through trust without any paid promotion. Strategy number 8, local partnerships and co-marketing. Partner with local realtors, insurance agents, property managers, or other trades. Trade referrals or create bundle offers like roofing plus solar or HVAC plus installation. This expands your reach into other customer networks with zero ad spend. One good partnership can be worth thousands of dollars in lead generation costs. Strategy number 9, review response and engagement. Reply to every Google review, good or bad. Here's a pro tip you can use. Include service keywords in your responses, right? Thanks for trusting us with your AC replacement in Dallas. It helps your local SEO while building trust with prospects who are comparison shopping. Look, here's the bottom line. You don't need to spend more money on ads to get more leads. You need to get smarter about the opportunities that are already in front of you. Most contractors are so focused on the next shiny marketing tactic that they ignore the fundamentals that actually drive results. But when you implement these 9 strategies systematically, you'll be amazed at how much your lead flow increases without touching your ad budget. Now, if you're watching this thinking, this all makes sense, but I need help implementing these strategies in my specific business, that's exactly what we help contractors at Contract Marketing Pros do. We don't just give you theory. We help you build a system that consistently generates leads and grow your revenue. We'll audit your current situation, identify your biggest opportunities, and create a custom plan to maximize every lead source you already have. Head over to contractormarketingpros.net right now and book a free strategy call. We'll show you exactly which of these strategies will have the biggest impact on your business and how to implement them step by step. The link is in the description, or just search Contract Marketing Pros. Stop throwing money at the lead generation and start being strategic about it. Your profit margins will thank you. I'll see you on the strategy call. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our weekly contractor marketing content.